Very excited to be here at Numatic, the home of the Henry vacuum. We first did work for Numatic back in 2013, and so now very excited to be here turning on this 1.7 megawatt ground mounted solar system.
Every business of every size needs to consider how it's going to secure its energy requirements in the future. This investment for us represents a step forward in our ability to self-generate at an acceptable return on capital, and the electricity that we can generate just from this solar field enables us to make the equivalent of 500,000 Henrys a year from sunshine.
Particularly exciting project because we've managed to combine some cutting-edge technologies with AIKO's full back contact technology solar panels, and combining that with Sigenergy smart AI-driven inverter technology.
It helps us to move towards our net zero sustainability goal of responsible manufacturing here in Charles.